Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2011 Triumph Thunderbird Storm. 1700 cc's, very torquey, brand new tires, only 20,000 miles. It's got an awesome sounding exhaust system. We also have the rear seat and passenger backrest to go with this really cool cruiser. Only $49.99. Come on by and make your cruiser dreams come true with this really cool Storm. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.